Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
Pretty cool. So let's get on down there, and that swimming pool too. Dang, they even got a garden here, and I guess a tennis court as well. Okay, let's get on down there. We got some stuff to see. Okay. So that one, you just kind of see. That looks cool. Let's see if I can. So you got pizza. Can I go in there? Yes. Thank you. So talking to the mean, trying to get to you. Okay. I'll just kind of take a look in. Wow, I had no idea what was over here. What we're gonna do in a minute is we're just gonna walk down this and kind of explore and see what's all the way down there to that where the bridges are at. And I just had never saw that what was here exactly, but now I can see it. There's actually a swimming pool right here and a playground, and these are some really nice apartments right in this space as well. And just to give you a little context, this is the Galaxy Casino right over there, and we're basically underneath the Broadway. So this is the Broadway Casino right over there, and we're basically on the rooftop. And yeah, there's a lot to say up here. Dang, that's so cool. This is also the harbor front. I'll tell you all more about it, so just stay tuned. And yeah, it's gonna be a kind of a cool one. Plus there's some really interesting stuff down that way too. I'll tell you why there's so many more people coming around that area. Pretty interesting. Never even thought about coming up to the rooftop until today. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, we're gonna be down on that sidewalk. The sidewalk doesn't look that interesting, but these businesses are interesting because I saw one called Moon Pizza, and there's a lot more activity going up and down this street. And it's kind of unusual because this is kind of a hard road to cross, but they're doing some construction stuff over there, those bridges. We're gonna walk over there and I'll explain that in a little bit too. But the other part I really like too is I can actually overlook these apartments, because these are some nice units, and they overlook the water, and they also have access to the water. They can put their yachts and things like that. They actually have docks available to the people that are there. So now you can kind of see into them a little bit. This one a little bit better. Got that green yard almost kind of stuff. Pretty interesting. It looks like they got a gate there. They got little gates that they can close off their anyways, pretty cool. So let's get on down there, and that swimming pool too. Dang, they even got a garden here, and I guess a tennis court as well. Okay, let's get on down there. We got some stuff to see. Galaxy Casino. So we were up on that rooftop right there, and now we're in this Broadway area. You can see some nice murals everywhere. The Broadway. Got pandas. You got all these booths that go all the way down. It's kind of a quiet moment at this particular moment. That's the Roadhouse, which is not so busy at the moment. That'll come alive about 5:30 or so in the evening. And what we're gonna do is go down our Target Street, which is just down here. And then you can see all these businesses, which they were all closed, but now they're actually filling up with things. So we're gonna see what they all are. And then yeah, you can see this from up above. That goes all the way down to the marina. Like a marina just for the people that live here. I have filmed it before, so I'll tell you. Maybe I'll try to show that to you later. And most of these are actually, at the moment, still closed. But I always kind of wondered what would happen to these, because the quality seems so cheap. Like the doors, you know, don't really close properly. You got those big gaps like that everywhere. So anything can go in there, rats, cockroaches, whatever. So I always wondered, like, what's the future of this? But actually they do have some places, some I don't know, maybe they will change the doors later. Maybe that's just kind of the quick way to get them up and going. I don't know. This is called the Cotai Gold Coast Yacht Villa. So it's interesting, right? You kind of have these really cheap storefronts right next to this very expensive, exclusive yacht area. And it looks like we're just gonna see what they have. And I don't know, maybe in time this will really develop into something more. Maybe they'll put more money into better quality buildings. Maybe they'll put some nice sidewalk in here in the future. There's the street sign. Looks like they're changing the street sign as well. Kind of curious what that's going to be. I haven't really seen that before where they change the street sign. Kind of want to go check that out real quick. Oh, okay. So that one, you just kind of see. That looks cool. Oh, so you take those and you put them up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, looks cool. So, oh, that's kind of cool. So actually, so we're going to be walking down that way, and I'll just show you what all those are. I just wanted to see how they did that. I'd never saw that before. So they actually have 8 tiles, and then they put the tiles together and they paste it up. So now I know how to do that. That should be one of my feature shorts. I was thinking about doing that anyways. So there's a Galaxy Casino right there. And we're going to continue around the corner. Let me just kind of see what they got here. So these are the kind of things they're going to have. Suki kitchen. Kind of fast food, noodles and French fries and such. Here's a beauty shop that looks like it's actually open right now. So the rent must be really low. Here's a Moon Pizza right here. So that one, I was kind of curious about that one. Let's see if I can go in. So they got pizza. Can I go in there? Yes. Thank you. So talking to the mean, trying to get to you. Okay. I'll just kind of take a look in. Oh, okay. So they got a whole pizza, and they got a place up there too. And they got a street sign up there. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, wow. And they got a stained glass up there as well. Ah. Thank you. Looks very cool. So this is called Moon Pizza, and there's a waiting space here, it looks like, for when it fills up. The pizza smells good. And actually you can see the stained glass up there, so I guess this Star Cotai Shopping Arcade has these upper floors as well, and a rooftop. I think we might have saw the rooftop up above, possibly. Let's see what this is. Okay, Motai, this is all the whiskey and such like that. I think it's going to be a bar. It's a bar?
Hello.
Hello. Is it a bar? No, or alcohol? No, okay. Thank you. And then this one is pharmacy? Pharmacy? Oh, okay. So that one looks like it's like snacks, I think. I was just trying to engage a little bit, so I just asked, first thing that popped in my head. Okay, so there's another Motai shop right here. So this one's selling wine and Motai. That's very popular with mainlanders. So this it's kind of like a little bit of a mainlander spot. And they're doing lots of construction over there. We're going to continue down that way in a minute. What's this one? Cheese G. So this one is cheese. Okay. So we're gonna continue down around the corner. One other thing I'm gonna look at real quick. That looks kind of interesting. I think I would like to get that looks like almost like an enchilada kind of thing. Then we got a convenience store right here, and we got, looks like this is shampoo. And this is a convenience store. Got Motai. Let's just kind of take a look. And then the hotel is over here as well, so we'll just see. It looks like it's just a general convenience store, so I'm not gonna go in. Looks like they got a mix of different things in there too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. Posada Marina and Fanch. Let me just see what this is right here. So Posada Marina and Fanch, Yoho Kotai Marina Bay. So that's where we're gonna be walking up in a minute. The KK is right there. Galaxy Casino is up that way. Substation Nova Taipa, Olympic Park. Okay, looks like they're gonna do something else down that way. I did go down in there. Oh, it's called Phantom now. I did go down there and film, and this is kind of loud. Let's go down to KK. I'll turn the camera back on down there. So we'll see what they're gonna do here. I guess you can kind of see now, because there's Phantom, and then that's a hotel right there, and then this is a hotel. So now there's actually more people staying at the hotels in this area. Let me get down to KK. Okay, it looks like they're just building the pipes to go underneath. So this is a kind of a giant sidewalk. We'll see what they're gonna do with it ultimately. I think this used to be a parking lot for this place. And now we're gonna go down and check out the KK directly down that way. But you can see the Galaxy Casino, and then this bridge is a new bridge. Goes all the way down as well. There's a KK Supermart, and there's some other businesses down that way too. The KK Mart, we're gonna walk down this way as well, but it looks like they basically have like a whiskey, stuff like that. That's the Marina Posada in Fanch, and then there's a waterfront down that way. We're gonna try to see that from another angle. But yeah, this one is a basic convenience store, and KK is very popular in the mainland, so I would see that in Zhuhai. I don't see it ever anywhere in Macau. So we're gonna walk a little bit further, and just to give you an idea, there's a new bridge that goes up this way right here. So now traffic, it's all brand new, just opened up about a month ago, a few weeks ago. Another Motai place. Motai is a Chinese alcohol, very popular. And this sign basically, this bridge takes you to the Saivan Bridge, and then this one takes you to the, if you go straight, it goes in the Taipa Village, which is right there, right over there. Okay, let's go up that way. Okay, Yoho Kotai Marina Bay. And I believe that that's like, these are kind of like exclusive apartments, I believe, overlooking the waterfront. Galaxy. Huh. This looks like they're gonna set up some nightlife, I guess, in this area, maybe. Nothing is there yet. So we'll see what they do with it. More construction going on over there. More construction down that way. But I kind of want to walk down that way. But that would be a separate video clip. So this is basically what this looks like. It's kind of a major thoroughfare now through Taipa, connecting Koloan with Taipa. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la música.